If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve with AI technology, CodeRabbit AI could be the next big tool you need. In this CodeRabbit AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can try it completely free with the first link in the description, and I'll give you some other great AI software recommendations based on my experience with over 1,000 different tools. Now let's dive in. CodeRabbit AI is an incredibly versatile and powerful AI tool designed to streamline a wide range of processes for digital marketers, content creators, and businesses. It's not just another tool. It brings a unique approach to automating your digital marketing tasks and improving productivity. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for your marketing, CodeRabbit AI integrates everything into a single platform. From generating high-quality content to automating email campaigns and beyond, it can save you tons of time. The first thing you need to know is how intuitive the platform is. You don't have to be a coding expert to use it. The user interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate, which means anyone, regardless of technical background, can get started quickly. Whether you're creating blog posts, ad copy, or social media captions, CodeRabbit AI has a built-in template system that makes content generation a breeze. You just input your target audience, key points, and voila, you're ready to go. One of the standout features of CodeRabbit AI is its automation capabilities. Not only can it generate content, but it can also optimize and schedule posts across multiple platforms. This means you don't have to manually upload content anymore. You can automate your entire content distribution strategy while focusing on other aspects of your business or personal life. For busy professionals, this is a game changer. Another thing I love about CodeRabbit AI is its ability to tailor content to your audience. The software uses advanced machine learning to analyze what works best for your target demographics, allowing you to craft content that truly resonates. This makes it a fantastic tool for those who want to increase their reach and engagement online. If you're involved in email marketing, you'll appreciate the AI's ability to craft personalized email sequences. With just a few inputs, it can create persuasive email copy that converts, and it even helps you optimize subject lines for better open rates. Plus, it takes care of the follow-up process, ensuring your emails stay relevant and timely. Now, let's talk about its versatility. CodeRabbit AI isn't just limited to writing content. It's a multifunctional tool that can be used for everything from SEO analysis to creating custom landing pages. And if you're wondering about customer support, rest assured. CodeRabbit AI offers 24/7 assistance to help you get the most out of the platform. Whether you have a technical question or need help with optimizing a campaign, they've got you covered. Lastly, let's address the pricing. Many AI tools can be prohibitively expensive, but CodeRabbit AI offers an attractive pricing model that makes it accessible to both small businesses and larger enterprises. Plus, there's a free trial available right now, so you can test it out risk-free and see if it fits your needs before committing. So, if you're looking for a tool that can automate your marketing, create engaging content, and save you time, CodeRabbit AI might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Remember, you can try it for free with the first link below. And after you've had a chance to try it out, check the description for my recommended AI tools based on my extensive experience with over 1,000 different software solutions. Thanks for watching, and if you want more AI tips and tools, make sure to check out my other videos.